First, I would like to thank for all your prayers, including me, praying me, my party, and you have closed the door of a hated party in the South India. On behalf of
बेंगलुरु में 27 अगस्त इतवार को मनाए गए हुसैन डे के मौके पर कर्नाटक के नायब वजीर एआली के शिवकुमार का खिताब काबिले गौर रहा। के शिवकुमार ने कहा कि वो सबसे पहले शुक्रगुजार हैं कि इलेक्शन के मौके पर उन्हें और उनकी पार्टी को सबने दुआओं से नवाजा और जनूबी हिंदुस्तान में हेट्रेट पार्टी नफरत वाली पार्टी के दरवाजे बंद कर दिए। मुसलमानों के इस इजलास से खिताब करते हुए के शिवकुमार ने कहा कि आप सब ने न सिर्फ कर्नाटक की हिफाजत की है बल्कि पूरे मुल्क में तब्दीली की उम्मीद पैदा की है। के शिवकुमार ने कहा कि कर्नाटक हुकूमत माइनॉरिटीज की हिफाजत को यकीनी बनाएगी और ये भरोसा देती है कि तमाम लोग और अक़लियतें अमन व अमान के साथ जिंदगी गुजर बसर करें। के शिवकुमार ने हुसैन डे के मुंतजिम आगा सुल्तान की तारीफ करते हुए कहा कि आगा सुल्तान केपीसीसी के जनरल सेक्रेटरी के तौर पर काफी सरगर्म हैं और हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं। जनूबी न्यूज रिपोर्ट।
all the galaxy of leaders of the community from Kashmir to Kanyakumari were joined here. I wish them for having come to this solidarity, unity and diversity and peace meeting who all have joined here. I always tell one thing, joining together is the beginning, thinking together is the progress, working together is the success. I think we have joined here for this great event. First, I would like to thank for all your prayers, including me, praying me, my party, and you have closed the door of a hated party in the South India. On behalf of the people of Karnataka, you have saved not only Karnataka, you have given a hope to this country. There can be a change in this country. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅನೇಕ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇನೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಈ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಭಯದ ವಾತಾವರಣ, ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿ ಹಿಂಸೆ, ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ದೇಶದ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭ. ಭಾರತ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಶಾಂತಿ ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ತುಂಬಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಇಡೀ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಒಂದು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಶಕ್ತಿನೇ ಒಂದು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನಾನು ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. ಐ ಕುಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್, I could hear Farooq Abdullaji speak. I could see that with their big experience, they have spoken from their heart and they have convinced all of you what is the need of the hour. So let us all look as forward to see that we all will save this country, save the constitution, save all of the brotherhood. As I don't want to discuss much, we have joined here on our philosophical leader Hussein's day. I think I could read from the text that Mahatma Gandhi ji also took his leave on his day to this victory of the Salt Satyagraha. But Mahatma Gandhi ji said one thing, if you want to control yourself, use your brain. If you want to control others, use your heart. I think that we are on the job. So ಅದರಿಂದ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ I have come here to assure all of you. Today, I think from the past 100 days, you have a Congress strong, vibrant government here. I think you are safe. We are protecting. We will protect from the hatredness. We will give peace to this state. We are committed to this ideology and our leadership of Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge ji, Sonia ji, Rahul ji. And today, our leaders from India also is here. Farooq Abdullah also. Karnataka, we started in Bangalore. That day Amar Abdullah was here. The last month, we started India to save India, to protect India. Let us all join together to save this country. As assured, we need your help, we need your support. Once again, I'd like to assure you, we stand, the Karnataka government stand to respect your sentiment, to protect all of you. It is our born duty. We assure you that we will see that you live in peace in this country. We are bound to it, we are committed to it for a secular outreach. Anyway, I wish all of you, Mr. Aga Sultan, a great friend of mine who is my General Secretary, working with me very hard. Last year also he invited me, but I could not participate in this event. But this year I came all the way from Tiptur to attend this program. I'm a little bit late. Anyway, I'd like to thank all of you as you have spent more than 4 hours to listen various speeches of our leaders. I think it will take a long way to change the society and your lives. I wish you all the best. Let me join again. Whenever you require, I am there with you. Thank you.